A lot of people are saying AI can't take my job because AI doesn't have hands, and my response to that is yet. So what I'm doing is just kind of laying the foundation, fixing up kind of the inside of the mouth. You do want it to be smooth. You want it to be, you don't want it to be, poor workmanship. You want to have a quality product, whether you're making a cat, a rat, dog, whatever. And you do see kind of how the cat will kind of form in its actual nature. So cats, being fairly evil creatures, are very easily formed as the beings that they truly are. The clay kind of will mostly only allow creatures to be displayed as they truly are. You can take as long as you want to make your cat. If you want to take the whole day to form your cat, that's fine. You're more than welcome to do that. I will just go ahead and make sure those are kind of formed up well. So I just want to be sure these whisker holes will allow the whisker and the glue to be properly fitted and seated. Okay, and we will come back when this bastard's out of the oven. This cat is so fresh, it's still a little bit warm. I am painting these cats with acrylic paint, and that is the same material I use for my rats. Be very happy with that if that stays in place. I will give that a minute. I'm going to just quickly trim that side up. And that is that cat. You got the front, you got the side view, and I will post pictures. Thank you for tuning in.